In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Metamask with Coinbase wallet. This is going to be an easy and straightforward process, perfect for those who want to link these wallets for sending cryptocurrencies or using decentralized applications, also known as dApps. First things first, let's dive right into your Metamask app. Once you have it open, you'll want to locate the browser icon. You can find this at the bottom of your screen right next to the gear icon. This icon will lead you to the browser that's built into Metamask, which is what you'll be using to access other websites directly within the app. Next, type in the URL for the Coinbase wallet, which is wallet.coinbase.com. This will open up Coinbase Wallet's webpage. It's important to ensure you're on the correct website to avoid any phishing scams. This part of the process is crucial because security is always a top priority when dealing with cryptocurrencies and wallets. Now that you're on the website, you'll see an option to tap Connect. This button is usually visibly placed, making it easy to access. By tapping this, you initiate the process of linking your Metamask with your Coinbase wallet. Make sure to follow along with the prompts carefully, as this ensures that everything is set up correctly. Once you've tapped Connect, you'll need to make a choice. You'll be presented with a few options, but for our purposes today, you'll want to select Metamask. This tells the Coinbase wallet that you wish to use your Metamask account for the link. It's almost like letting both wallets shake hands and agree to work together. After choosing Metamask, your Metamask app will prompt you to approve this new connection. This is an important step, as it gives permission for the two wallets to communicate. Approval is usually just a single tap, but make sure you thoroughly review any details shown during this process, particularly if there are permissions or specifics you're not familiar with. It's always better to be informed. And just like that, your Metamask and Coinbase wallet are now linked. With this connection established, you're ready to send cryptocurrencies between wallets effortlessly, or engage with any dApps you like. The integration gives you more flexibility and control over your digital assets, a great perk for any cryptocurrency user. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to connect your Metamask with your Coinbase wallet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Happy trading!